Hi everybody, it's Christina from Pretty Distressed. In today's video, I'm going to be painting some pumpkins with some leftover paint that I have from Dixie Belle. I'm gonna take these orange pumpkins and make them a beautiful neutral centerpiece for my dining room. So if you wanna see how I got this look, just keep watching. So I have a quick and easy project for you today. I normally don't get into decorating for the season. The only season I really get excited for is Christmas. And the reason I really don't get into decorating for fall is because I'm not a huge fan of fall colors, the orange and the red and stuff. It just clashes with my house. My house is very neutral. And since I'm a furniture painter, I have a lot of spare paint laying around my house, especially in the colors that I love. So I just pulled some Dixie Belle colors that I have out of my closet, out of my big paint wall, and decided to take these cute little pumpkins and make a centerpiece for my dining table. So the first thing I did is I grabbed all my pumpkins and I gave them a little bath in water and vinegar and just gave them a nice little scrub. This is gonna help get all the dirt and kind of residue off the pumpkins and prime them for painting. And it's also gonna make them last longer and get kind of like all the mildew and the mold and the fungus that might be on there. The vinegar is gonna neutralize that. You could also put bleach in here if you wanted to, but I didn't want them to smell bleachy, so I just did the natural vinegar bath. And I'm planning on displaying these up through Thanksgiving. So now my pumpkins are all clean and dried off, so I'm just gonna start painting them. I have a cheap chip brush. You can get this at the hardware store for like 50 cents. And then I just have like a little craft brush that I probably picked up from Hobby Lobby or something that was just in my stash. So the paint colors I picked out today are all Dixie Belle. I just grabbed these out of my paint stash in my closet. I'm gonna be using the color Fluff, which is a really pretty white. Savannah Mist, which is a blue, which I haven't tried yet, but I think this is going to be the perfect palette for this project. And then I have a really light gray in Driftwood. Like I said, I got these pumpkins from the grocery store and they were only 99 cents a piece, which was a great deal. So I'm just painting around the stem, just making sure I have all that orange covered up. So that's pretty good right there. So now I'm gonna take my bigger brush and hold the stem and just start painting these little guys. And I'm like kind of following the lines of the pumpkin just so that I get it in all those crevices. And I think it's gonna kind of make it look more realistic, because you do see those designer like white pumpkins and stuff like that, but those are expensive. So this project is a great idea for leftover paint that you have. Say that you have a canister of paint that you used to paint a piece of furniture and you only have about 1/4 of a cup left, not enough to refinish anything else, but a great way to use that paint up on a project like this. So here are my completed pumpkins. This project was really easy and really fun. I hope you guys get a chance to try it out. I love having a little bit of fall decor, but still keeping with my neutral palette. I didn't seal these or anything. I just left them nice and chalky, and I just love the finish. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.